Hello and welcome to the Fastic Fastival. We are here on Mallorca, on this beautiful island, to build connection and trust together as a team. Because only as a strong, powerful, diverse and trustful team we are able to build the best experience for our customers. And of course, fun is part of the game. What was your biggest highlight of the festival so far?
Personal connection, like connecting with people I didn't know before.
I feel a lot more connected, energized and motivated.
It was really good to kind of get to know them on a more emotional level and understand a lot more about them.
Hi camera. My highlight. I think the whole come together. So see everybody in person again and just hanging around and be together.
Coming together in person and seeing the real success behind Fastic, and that is the people behind it and all the amazing skills, the different personalities, the different mentalities with all the different countries. That's what I really love.